children, today I am here to teach you chapter 19 in your textbook, Constructing Algebraic Expressions and Substitution. In chapter 18, we discussed about algebraic symbols. In this lesson, we construct algebraic expressions using algebraic symbols. Find the value of an algebraic expression containing one unknown of coefficient 1 by substituting a whole number for the unknown term. Look at this one. There are 6 red marbles and 3 blue marbles in a box. Find the total amount of marbles in the box. Just you can add it. How we find out the total number of marbles? 6 red marbles and 3 blue marbles. So altogether you get 9. 9 is the total number of marbles. In a rack, there are 12 novels and 8 short story books. Find the total number of books in the rack. How we find out? 12 novels and 8 short story books. 12 plus 8. You get all together 20 books. There are 8 big coconuts and X number of small coconuts. Write down the total number of coconuts using algebraic expression. Now you get letters, not just numbers. X number of small coconuts and 8 big coconuts. So how we find out the total number? You can write 8 plus X. Here you can write this one as X plus 8 as well. X plus 8 or 8 plus X. So order is not important when you add the numbers. X plus 8 is the same as 8 plus X. There are X number of red balloons and 12 blue balloons in a box. Write down an algebraic expression for total number of balloons in the box. So you can write X number of red balloons plus 12 number of blue balloons. So X plus 12 or 12 plus X, same thing. That's the total number of balloons. Look at this one. In a box, there are Y number of yellow eggs and 11 white eggs. Write down an algebraic expression for the total number of eggs. Total number of eggs is Y yellow ones and 11 white ones. So Y plus 11, or I can write 11 plus Y. This one. There are X number of books in a book rack and Rajita took 8 books from the rack. Write down an algebraic expression for the remaining number of books. So how we find out the remaining number of books? Remaining number of books is equal to altogether X number of books were there and Rajita took 8 books out from that. So you subtract 8 from that. Here you can't write 8 minus X, that's wrong. Only for addition you can change the order but not for subtraction. So that's only X minus 8. Look at this one. In a box there are X number of yellow eggs and Y number of white eggs. Write down an algebraic expression for the total number of eggs. So X number of yellow eggs and Y number of white eggs, X plus Y, or you can write Y plus X. Look at the other one. There are P number of books in a book rack. Vijita took 20 books out from the rack. Write down an algebraic expression for the remaining number of books in the rack. So remaining number of books is altogether P number of books were there, and Vijitha took 20 out of that, and the remaining is P minus 20. You can't write 20 minus P, that's wrong. Total number of passengers in a bus is A. Find the remaining number of passengers in the bus if 18 got down. So remaining number is A was there, A number of passengers were there, and 18 got down. You subtract 18. Price of 1 kilo of sugar is 98 rupees. Find the balance if X rupees is given to the shop to buy 1 kilo of sugar. So the remaining is you gave X rupees, and 1 kilo of sugar is 98 rupees. So X minus 98 rupees is the balance. Cyril earned X rupees from the trishow and he spent 220 rupees for petrol. Find the remaining amount. How can we find out? So, X rupees he earned and spent 220. So, you subtract 220 from X. There are P number of pepper seeds and 81 seeds are germinated. Find the number of seeds that are not germinated. So altogether, P number of seeds. 81 germinated. So you subtract 81 from P, you get the number of seeds that are not germinated. Fill in the blanks. Algebraic expression is there. Unknown term and the constant. So, unknown means basically letters and constant means numbers. X plus 11, X is the unknown term, 11 is the constant. P minus 8, P is the unknown term and minus 8 is the constant. 10 minus Y is the unknown and 10 is the constant. 21 plus X, 21 is the constant and X is the unknown. 100 minus M, 100 is the constant minus M is the unknown term. Now we'll look at substituting values in algebraic expressions. In algebraic expression, X is the unknown term. Substitute 6 for X, 6 plus 3 now. X is 6. 6 plus 3, you get 9. Find the value of the algebraic expression A plus 11 when A equals 10. Substitute A equals 10. 10 plus 11, you get 21. Find the value of the algebraic expression X plus 4 when X equals 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll substitute 2 first. X equals 2. So 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2, you get 6. Now we'll substitute X equals 3. 3 plus 4. That's 7. When X equals 4. 4 plus 4 now. You get 8. Now X equals 5. 5 plus 4, you get 9. So you can substitute any value for the unknown term. Find the values of Y plus 11 when Y equals 0, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put Y equals 0 first. 0 plus 11, you get 11. Y equals 3. 3 plus 11, you get 14. y equals 4. 4 plus 11, you get 15. And y equals 5. 5 plus 11, you get 16. Find the values of 12 plus a when a equals 2, 3, 4, 5. So substitute a equals 2, 12 plus 2, 14. A equals 3, that means 12 plus 3, you get 15. A equals 4, 12 plus 4 now, 16. And a equals 5, 12 plus 5, you get 17. Find the values of 10 plus p when p equals 5, 3, 2, 1. So we'll do 5 first. When p equals 5, 10 plus 5, you get 15. When p equals 3, that becomes 10 plus 3, 13. When p equals 2, 10 plus 2, you get 12. And p equals 1, you get 10 plus 1, 11. Find the values of 2 minus x when x equals 0, 1, 2. We'll substitute 0 first. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. X equals 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. X equals 2. 2 minus 2 now. What's 2 minus 2? You get 0. Fill in the blanks. You have given algebraic expressions, value of the unknown, and after substitution, and you can find the answer. X plus 9. When x equals 3, that's 3 plus 9, that's 12. Value of the unknown is 4. So 4 plus 11. What's 4 plus 11? 15. P plus 20. P is 5 now. 5 plus 20. You get 25. X is 20. 20 minus 4 now. 20 minus 4, 16. M is 12. 12 minus 11. That's 1. And y is 11 now. 11 plus 3. You get 14. Look at this one. Algebraic expression is given. Unknown term and value of the unknown term is given and you are asked to find the answer. So what's the unknown term here? X. So 5 is the x value. 5 plus 8, 13. Unknown term here is y. Y equals 4. 5 plus 4, 9. What's the unknown term here? A. A is 20 now. 20 minus 9, you get 11. 10 minus m. Minus m is the unknown term. 6 is minus m. So minus 6 now. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 11 minus x. Unknown term is minus x. X is 7 now. 11 minus 7, 4. M plus 4. What's the unknown term? M. M equals 3 now. 3 plus 4, you get 7. Look at this one. Find the values of the following algebraic expressions when x equals 4. So substitute 4. 4 plus 3. That's 7. Now x is 4. 4 plus 7. You get 11. X is 4. 8 plus 4. You get 12. X is 4. 4 minus 10 minus 6. X is 4. 10 minus 4. You get 6. X is 4. 9 plus 4. You get 13. X plus x. That means 4 plus 4. You get 8. 4 minus 4 now. That's 0. Still x equals 4. 12 minus 4. You get 8. 90 minus 4. You get 86. X multiplied by x. That means 4 times 4. You get 16. Find the values of the following algebraic expressions when a equals 20. So substitute a equals 20. 20 plus 4. 24. 20 minus 9. You get 11. A is 20. 20 plus 11. You get 31. A is 20. 20 minus 11. You get 9. 31 minus 20. A is 20. 31 minus 20. You get 11. 24 minus 20. That's 4. 20 minus 20. You get 0. 37 minus 20. You get 17. 20 plus 20. That's 40. A is 20. 20 minus 20. You get 0. So you know how to substitute values for the unknown term. Price of 1 kilo of sugar is X rupees and 1 kilo of potatoes is 80 rupees. Find the algebraic expression for the total price of 1 kilo of sugar and 1 kilo of potatoes. So just X rupees plus 80 rupees. X plus 80. Value of algebraic expression when it's given 1 kilo of sugar is 110. That means X equals 110. If X equals 110, so what's the price? 110 plus 80. You get 190 rupees. Look at this question. The amount earned from a trishow is X rupees and 240 rupees spent for petrol every day. Amount of savings per day as an algebraic expression. So we can say amount of earning is X and spending 240 rupees. So X minus 240 is a savings. If the amount earned every day for 7 days values are given, find the savings for each day. So we'll take the first one, 1200. So substitute X equals 1200. Subtract. So you get 0, 6 and 960 rupees. when x equals 1500. What's the value of saving? 0.6. So 1260 rupees. If this is 2400, you get 2160 rupees. Then 3400. 3400. What's the savings then? 3160. 4000. If it's 4000, so you get 3760 rupees. You can check by adding these two. It's correct. Then what's the previous number again? We did 4000, 2300 and 1080. 2300. And the other one is 1080. So substitute and subtract now. 0.6 and 2060 rupees is the saving. If the earned amount is 1080, subtract, you get 840 is the savings amount. The age of Sujit is X years now. Write down an algebraic expression for the age of Sujit after 5 years. So we have to add 5 to that. So x plus 5. If x is 10, find age after 5 years. So we'll substitute 10 here. 10 plus 5. That's 15 years. Age of father is 4 times as Sujit after 5 years. Find the age of father after 5 years. So what's the age of Sujit after 5 years? That's 15. So age of father is 4 times as Sujit after 5 years. So that's 15 times. So 15 times 4. 60 years. So what's the father's age after 5 years? 60 years. Look at this triangle. Write down an algebraic expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter means adding outer length. X plus 8 plus 12. So you can add like terms. 8 plus 12, you can write 20. So x plus 20 is the perimeter. So this is in centimeters. So next part, find the perimeter when x equals 11. So substitute 11 for x. 11 plus 20, you get 1 and 3. So 31 centimeters. Look at this diagram. Write an expression for distance from A to D. A to D. So x plus 3 plus 8. You have to add all these lengths. So you get x plus 11. Find the AD distance if x equals 5. Substitute 5 there. 5 plus 11 now. That's 16 kilometers. If x is 5 kilometers, the distance is 16 kilometers. Number of students in 3 grade 6 classes are given below. Write down an algebraic expression for the total number of students. 32 plus 44 plus x. You can simplify this. You can write 6 and 4 plus 3 is 7. 76 plus x is the total number of students. If x equals 35, find the total number of students. Now substitute 76 plus. Instead of x, you can substitute 35. So what's the total number of students? 6 plus 5, 11. And 1 remaining, 8 plus 3, 11. 111 students. So 111 students altogether. Prime numbers between 2 and 10 are x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5. Write down all prime numbers. So you can get prime numbers when x equals 2. So you get all prime numbers when x equals 2. So substitute 2. 2 plus 1. So the first number is 3. 2 plus 3. You get 5. 2 plus 5. You get 7. So 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. Salih has T number of novels and father gave another 11 books to him. Write down an algebraic expression for total number of books that Salih has now. He had T number of books and father gave 11. So the total is T plus 11. If T equals 23, so what's the total number of books? Substitute 23 there. 23 plus 11. So you get 4 and 3. So the total number of books is 34. So this is an exercise, in your textbook. So we'll look at it. Sunimal has 5 exercise books and Chatura has 4 exercise books. Let us find the number of exercise books that the two of them together. Just 5 plus 4. That's 9. Chalani had 4 exercise books. She received a parcel containing exercise books from her uncle. Now let us find the amount of exercise books she has. Since the number of books in the parcel is not known, it is an unknown constant. Let us represent the number of books in the parcel by n. The number of books that Chalani originally possessed. How many books? She had 4. 4 books. The number of books in the parcel she received from her uncle. So we took n number of books. Then what's the total? Total number of books Chalani now possesses is n plus 4 or 4 plus n. 4 plus n or n plus 4 is the total number of books now. Expressing such as the above, which contain an algebraic symbol, are called algebraic expression. So this is an exercise in your textbook. Another exercise in your textbook. Look at this one. 5 marbles are removed from a bag of marbles. Now let us construct an algebraic expression for the number of marbles that are remaining in the bag. Let us take the number of marbles that were in the bag to be A. And this is unknown constant. Number of marbles that were in the bag, that's A. And number of marbles that were taken out of the bag. How many marbles taken out? 5 marbles are removed. So you are taking 5. So what's the remaining number of marbles in the bag? A minus 5. So an algebraic expression denoting the number of marbles remaining in the bag is A minus 5 now. Now we'll look at the example in your textbook. Example number 1. There are 45 students in a class. If the number of boys in the class is taken to be m, construct an algebraic expression for the number of girls in the class. So that means remaining number. So number of girls is equal to total 45 students. When we subtract number of boys from the total number, you get number of girls. Exercise 19.1. You have given the first term, second term and the algebraic expression obtained by adding the first and second terms. X and 10. X plus 10. 3 and 9. 3 plus 9. You can simplify and write 12 as well. 15 plus x. 15 plus x. You can't add those. Y and 4. Y plus 4. N and 7. N plus 7. P with 5. P plus 5. And here 6 is there plus y there. So this should be y. 25 plus d. D is there. This should be 25. Complete the following table. First term is given, second term. The algebraic expression obtained by subtracting the second term from the first one. You have to subtract this one from here. X minus 2. 100 minus 9. 100 minus 9 you can simplify. 91. Y minus 45. P minus 100. And 32 minus x. M minus 8. So second term you subtract from the first one. The number of teachers in the teaching staff of a certain school was P. 2 new teachers joined the school. Represent the number of teachers in the school now by an algebraic expression. So we are adding another 2 teachers. P was there, adding another 2. This is the number of teachers now. P plus 2. A past pupil of a certain school donated 100 books to the school library. By taking the number of books that were earlier in the library to be x, construct an algebraic expression for the number of books there are in the library now. Earlier, it was x number of books. So, 100 books donated. So, x plus 100 is the total number of books now. Question number 5. From the money I had in hand, I gave 10 rupees to a derelict. Represent the amount I have remaining by an algebraic expression. So, I had in my hand, I gave 10 rupees. So, what's the amount I had? We have to take any letter x. If the amount I had is x, I gave 10 rupees. So, represent the amount I have remaining by an algebraic expression, x minus 10. Nima's father's daily income is 750 rupees. His mother earns an income of x rupees a day through her sales. Find his parents' total daily income. So, you just add these two, 750 and X rupees. So that's the total daily income. It is 10 minutes since Ruan arrived at the bus hall. The bus he travels in will arrive 3 minutes from now. How much time does he have to spend in total at the bus halt? Earlier he was there for 10 minutes and the bus will come after 3 minutes. So altogether 10 plus t minutes is the total time he needs to wait at the bus halt. The price of a coconut is X rupees. A mother has 150 rupees in her hand. If the price of a coconut is less than the amount in her hand, she buys a coconut. How much money will be remaining? So, coconut price is X rupees. So, she had 150. So, she can buy one coconut. That's why it says it's less than the amount in her hand. So, 150 minus X is the balance she gets. So, the remaining amount 150 minus X. Example number 1. Find the value of the expression X minus 4 when X equals 5. So, just substitute here. 5 minus 4. You get 1. Look at this one. Copy the following table and complete it. Algebraic expression is there. Unknown term or variable term in the expression, value to be substituted and the numerical value. What's the unknown? X. X is 5. 5 plus 6, you get 11. What's the unknown here? That's Y. Y is 14. 14 plus 5, you get 19. What's the unknown value here? A. A is 12. 12 minus 8, you get 4. P is the unknown term. P minus 10, P is 20. 20 minus 10, that's 10. Now what's the unknown term? Minus n is the unknown term. So 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6, you get 9. Exercise 19.2. Find the value of each of the following algebraic expressions when x equals 10. So substitute 10 here. 10 plus 5, you get 15. 10 plus 8, that's 18. 25 minus 10. Now x is here. Minus 10, that's 15. Find separately the value of each of the following algebraic expressions when y equals 25. So substitute 25 for y. 25 plus 5, that's 30. 25 minus 10, that's 15. 25 minus 20 is 5. Find separately the value of each of the following algebraic expressions when a equals 8. Substitute 8. A is 8 now. 20 minus 8, you get 12. 15 minus 8, you get 7. 35 minus 8, you get 27. The price of a coconut is X rupees and the price of a kilogram of sugar is 110 rupees. Write down an algebraic expression for the total cost of a coconut and a kilogram of sugar. If the price of a coconut is 35 rupees, find the value of the algebraic expression. So first write down an algebraic expression for the total cost. Total cost is X rupees for the coconut and 1 kilogram of sugar, that's 110 rupees. So altogether X plus 110. If X equals 35, what's the total cost? You substitute 35 here. 35 plus 110, you get 145 rupees. The daily income of both the father and the mother of a certain family is 850 plus X. Here 850 is the father's daily income, X represents the mother's daily income. On 5 days of a certain week, the mother's daily income was 600, 550, 435, 525 and 515 respectively. Find separately the total income of the family on each of the 5 days. So you can find out 850 plus X. So the first day, what's the income? X is 600. So substitute 600. You get 1,450 rupees. That's the first day. Second day, now the mother's income is 550. So what's the total? 1,400. And third day, 850 plus 435 now. So add it together. 1,285. Now fourth day, 850 plus now 525. So you get 1,375. And the fifth day, what's the total income? X is given 515. So you get 1,365. So those are the 5 days income separately. So we completed all theory related to algebraic expressions. So we did algebraic expressions are expressions which contain algebraic terms. Substitution is assigning numerical value to an unknown term or a variable term in an algebraic expression. So you know how to substitute values in algebraic expression. So this is a really important lesson in algebra. So we are doing this in grade 8, 9, 10, 11. And if you are selecting mathematics for your A level, you have to do algebra a lot.